Hey, back again with new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is Poco F5 5G or the Redmi Note 12 Turbo custom ROM reviews. Back with new video guys. This is an Xiaomi MIUI, not an HyperOS, and you already seen the title and thumbnail. They have mentioned like it's a gaming ROM. Why? Everything will be explained in detail in this video. If you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, and without wasting any time, let's begin this video. Into settings and my device, you can see Xiaomi EU 14.0.27.0 TMRCNXM multi. This is not multi. Yeah, HyperOS was multi here. And you can see Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 8 plus 5GB here, extra RAM, not the 8GB what we can see in the HyperOS. Those are the changes you need to notice guys. And detailed information security patch, you can see 2023-11-1, I mean the November 2023 is the security patch, and Android version is also 13 here guys. Kernel user is 5.10.149 kernel has been used here. This is the information of this ROM. And regarding the settings panel, we'll start with here only. Yeah, the settings panel, what we can say is very much smooth and light here compared to HyperOS. HyperOS I felt like a little bit heavier than this one. Yeah, I don't know why it should be actually lighter, but anyhow, this is the screen time or digital well-being what we can get. And additional settings is here. You can see second space and memory extension, you get up to 5GB as I explained, and floating windows are working fine here. Sidebar, if you want to keep always, you will get here. As you can see, this is how floating windows can be used here. This is where they have introduced for second time actually MIUI 13 like that it was there, and MIUI 14 it has been carried away, and now in the HyperOS this floating windows plays very vital role, but it's still there in the MIUI 14. One-handed mode is given. Quick ball, again if you turn this on, you can actually select the shortcuts as you can see individually. For example, for menu you can select some shortcuts, according to that other shortcuts you can select. It will be handy. As you can see, you can just use this quick ball and it will be very much easy. Again, accessibility, again that's also similar thing. Without actually using the physical buttons, you can actually use that. And these are the accessibility other settings. And language and input, you can see the languages what we have. You can pause the video or take the screenshot here. These are the languages what we can get here. And current keyboard is Gboard. Manage keyboards, that's there. And languages has again, and regions, again it's plenty. Again, you need to check out carefully if your region is available. Most of the regions are available, but languages could have been implemented. Anyhow, this is Xiaomi EU ROM. Additional settings here, and apps, again here into manage apps you get default apps option here. Reset to default is also given. Dual apps permission, app lock is also pre-included in this particular ROM. Passwords and security, let me add the face unlock with anyhow live I can add here. Let's check. It is saying it's not that much secure. Anyhow, we'll be adding the face unlock, and done. You can remove this stay on lock screen after unlocking. You guys can see how quick the smartphone unlocking the face lock, and even the fingerprint unlock. Let me check out whether it is kept as touch or press. Yeah, let's make touch, and we'll say the speeds. Yeah, it is quite fast guys, unlocking a smartphone using this fingerprint unlock and face unlock. That's really good in my opinion. Even in the HyperOS that is same, not that change. And home screen, again you get this animation speed here has been added. System navigation and gestures has been given. The gesture bar is also fine here, no problem. -1 screen, I kept Google Discover. If you want, you can keep out app vault. If you don't want to swipe, you can keep it none also. Home screen, again app drawer, classic and light mode, and some options, group icons by colors and animations, those are there. Double tap to lock screen, fill seals, for installed apps, lock home screen layout, and home screen layout up to 6:7 is given. Icons, again you get these themed icons options here too. And remove text from widgets, those are there. Arrange items in recents, only horizontal or vertical is given. iOS recents, those are only a port ROM or like that. This is an EU ROM. Blur app previews are given. Individually you can select. Show memory status, you guys can see this is the recent apps looks like. And again into notification and control center, again notification shade you get it. and app notifications. In the notification state, actually you get group notifications and show app icons, expand top notifications, show weather information. MIUI Android is given. Control center style old or new, you can select from here. Switch control center side and close after touch, and this additional cards, if you don't want them, you can disable from here. Status bar, again you get options of these here. And into sound and touch, again you get plenty of options here too. Additional settings, you get all these options. You can enable or disable. Sound effects, you will get that Dolby Atmos support and graphic equalizer supports here. Wallpapers and personalization, again there is no lock screen customization, that you will definitely miss out in this particular ROM, guys. And into wallpapers, you get these super wallpapers. I want to show this. I have applied this geometry currently. Will show that. As you can see, this how the theme looks like. If I apply the dark mode here, sorry, not the reading mode, dark mode, you guys can see it turned into dark now, and it will have the same effect. I really like it. That is there in the HyperOS also, but I'm saying why you need to be on this MIUI. If you want to, you can move it out to HyperOS also. As of now, it's not that great, but still definitely it's going to be great enough to use. But still, the MIUI last version, what is this, 14.0.27.0, is still much capable to handle the high FPS games. Let's see that. Before that, we'll be showing some display settings here. Light and dark mode, scheduled dark mode is also there. Brightness level, sunlight mode is given. Color scheme, again you get plenty here. And refresh rate, you get custom 60 120, not 90 is not been added. AI imagine engine, only HDR enhancement, you can turn it off or on. This is how the display settings. And always on, again you will get some options here. Always, yeah, that's present, no need to worry. And these are the options you can want, you can select them from themes also. These are the options what you can get here in the always on display. And wallpapers and personalization, already touched that. That's it in the settings. That's how simple it is. And this is how the recent apps looks like. And the camera application, you get proper MIUI, whatever the out of the box what you got, similar camera, nothing like nothing is included here. It's not even HyperOS camera updated, it's a MIUI camera. If you're missing that, you can come and flash this ROM and use it as a daily driver, guys. Again, some results. I was playing real cricket and to the BGMI, it was fine actually. I was using this ROM from last 2 days now. It's a very old ROM, guys. November 2023 security patch, you guys can have some idea. It's a old ROM, but still it's much capable enough to handle your each and every. Let's see some app, what all the apps we use here. Day-to-day tools, everything is added here. Compass, health, contacts and scanner, download screen recording options. If I go into settings again, you get up to 100 Mbps, and this only 2K resolution. System sounds, mic and mute, frame rate up to 90 is been given. This are the screen record and basic apps day-to-day usage you will use. And dialer, definitely you get direct video call feature, and even call recording feature is also available, but it will not announce the other person that you are recording the call. You can check out in the file manager, guys. Again, messaging app is given here. Browser, you get Mi browser pre-included here. If you want to use any other browser, you can install them using Play Store. Recorder application has been also given, and you guys can see recording format you can select actually, delete, and other options you can see. Earpiece mode is also included. Really cool. And into settings, again I already explained this. What all the other apps you need to check out. Mi video is pre-installed. Health, I already said about this. And main thing is this security application. This is the MIUI one. In every HyperOS they are giving the same security application. Only in some ROMs they are giving actually the HyperOS security application. Anyhow, these are the options what you can get. And if I swipe down, you all get these options here. Gaming mode, app lock, dual apps, hidden apps, permissions, auto start, battery saver, ultra battery saver, battery setting, schedule power and off. Everything will be given here. No need to worry while playing the games. I'll explain more, guys, and we'll see some results in the gallery. Actually, you get these options. If I select some photo, you can see the recognize table is the updated version of HyperOS. You get those options. Other than that, everything is same here. Let's start with this one. Yeah, this is the DRM information. In this particular ROM, it's not working. Anyhow, 1114 is the single score, 4182 is the multi-score, Linux 5.10.149 is the kernel, Android version is 13, and 7,26,197 GPU score is null. If you add around 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, then it will be around 10 lakhs score here. 3.2 degrees Celsius is the temperature is, and 2% of battery has been dropped in the Antutu benchmark. And this is the version of Antutu what I am using, 10.2.3, and this is the basic integrity and CTS profile match getting both pass. You can use all the payment application, no need to worry. And this is with 5G guys, you guys can see 5G plus with mobile data connection. I'm using Geo 5G. It is up to 310 Mbps as of now. For some reason Wi-Fi speeds were low, and again it is revert back to high speeds. And this is the rewrite speed test with graphical and numerical. And this is the battery life what I can achieve in this particular ROM guys. This is the battery life what I got. As of now, it is good. The battery life is also very much better than HyperOS. Why I'm saying this? I have used both of the things, and I have noticed the battery life is very good in this MIUI 14.0.27.0 of the Xiaomi EU ROM. This is Mi EU ROM, not a global or any other ports here. This is the EU ROM. You guys can see. HyperOS makes some time, then it will be better also. But as of now, this is having very good battery life. Now, other thing which is better in this particular ROM is the gaming. We'll be seeing that. Regarding graphics settings, you need not to worry guys. For Poco F5 by default you get smooth plus 90 fps enabled. As you can see, I'm keeping the same here, and this is what I was explaining, the gaming mode, bright and saturated and all. You can adjust actually. You can revert back to settings and you can clear the memory. And I have already kept the performance mode. If you want balance mode, if you are not into that, if you are already get down in the match, you can select balance mode to save some battery. Take screenshot, record that, and you can completely turn off the screen. As you can see, if you don't want to see but you want to be live in the game, and voice changer, those are given in this particular ROM guys. Let's see actually how it handles in this particular ROM. Yeah, the gameplay is really smooth. That's the main thing. I want to test this ROM actually.
Nice shot! Reloaded! Enemy down! The blue team is unstoppable! Killing spree for the blue team!
The gaming experience, I really love it guys. It is so smooth in this particular ROM. Finally the end of strict minds. Anyhow, it is really good, the experience of this UI with the gaming. You guys can see.
Killing spree for the blue team.
No lag whatsoever. Yeah, we'll come back here. This is the gaming experience. I can't say completely it's much better than other ROMs, but definitely better than MIUI HyperOS. As of now, the gaming experience is really good. The battery life is very good. Fingerprint unlock and face unlock speeds are also very good. You just miss some features, like if you turn on the silent mode, you see this message instead of seeing on the dynamic island or anything like that. Those are the things you're going to definitely miss. The latest and greatest will be always feature rich, but still the kind of experience you are getting from this ROM is definitely not that bad here, and it is really good compared to HyperOS, what I'm saying. And it's up to you guys. If you want to be on this still, you can definitely that's my recommendation actually. I also recommend the people who are already in the HyperOS, go back to this ROM and use for a couple of days. Once it is also get settled like this, then you can without on the MIUI U Hyper OS. That's the conclusion, guys. If you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We'll meet you with another interesting video, guys. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.